Well, hello club officers. This training video is going to be about completing your service event. As you may recall, each club is responsible for completing one event. So as it says here, everyone is responsible for completing one service event. And as I will show you, the way to access and register your service events is via Keelhauler Care on your CSUM homepage. So let's take a look at that right now. So we're going to go to the CSUM homepage here. We're going to log in. Scroll down to Keelhauler Care Volunteering. And you will need to, it looks like I'm already logged in here, but you'll need to log in up at the top there. So using this tab, this drop down, you'll log in. And it'll start on a page that looks like this, and you'll want to go down to clubs. So go to clubs, and as you can see, there will be a list of clubs, and as officers, you will be assigned editorial capabilities for your own club. So you can create a little icon for it. I'll click ASCMA clubs. And so if I were the club president or treasurer and I wanted to edit an event or create an event, I would come up here to manage, click the drop down, and first off, adding a user, you can use this to add club members. So if you want to populate your club roster, you can do that. And the other thing we use this for is to add events. So that's the real important one that we want to look at today. So I'm going to click add event, and it's loading. And here you can see it's pretty straightforward. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to name your event virtual remote. Of course, this is now anticipating that these events will be taking place during the pandemic. And you will designate a name, a type, place and a time, how many participants are needed. Your name will be the administrator name. And then privacy level public, this is so that other people can perhaps partake in your event so that you can get more volunteers than just your club. And certainly it would be, neat to advertise, but the minimum is your club participation. And you'll give a brief description of your event, say how you're going to be benefiting the community, what you plan to do, who you're going to be partnering with, if you're partnering with any other organizations in the community. And response to COVID, is it as a direct result of or a means to assist in the COVID response? So those are the general questions. This should be pretty straightforward. The one thing that I want to point out is if there's shifts or time slots, this would be if you only need one volunteer at a time and your club's going to work it in some kind of rotation, say for tutoring or something like that. So this is the page that you will use, and then of course when you publish it, it will be viewable to other people. So that's how to create an event. So I want to also mention that there are people to work with in regards to establishing your event and creating something, and Eduardo Alcantar is the #1 person to go to. Of course, you guys likely know Joellen as well, but Eduardo, I'm going to put his contact information in the video description. Hey Eddie, how's it going? I'll take good care of you guys. So that's what I have for you today. If you have any questions, you can email me as well, and my email address will also be in the video description. Hope this has been helpful.